Okay guys, we're gonna go over the second part of our warm-up. We start with our slide. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. The key is when I see you guys do the slide, if your legs are still, it's gonna look like this. What makes mine a little bit cooler? It's because I keep my knees slightly bent. This way I can push off, okay? So if I'm going here, I can push off. See that? If you stand straight up like this with your knees up, your slide's gonna look like this. Right? Then it's gonna be like, hey, why is mine kind of weird? Because you kept your knees, keep it bent. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in our routine, what we did is we went 1. You see how I'm open up on 1? If I go like this and I try to turn, it's way too hard. So right on the 1, gotta make sure I open up. My hip opens up and I'm already thinking, 1, I'm looking at the side mirror. 1 right here, and then I'm bringing this arm around using that momentum. 2, that gives me the slide, I can turn here. And this 3, 4 is easy, right? 5, 6, the same thing. I'm on 5, this arm opens up on the 5 right here. This arm can close in on the 6, and then 7, 8. So I got my spin, I got my slide right there. So you guys give it a try. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So the second part of our warm-up is our pas de bourrée. So it actually spells pas de bourrée. P-A-S-D-E bourrée. I think it's the name of the city in Paris or in France. It's a French term. It's the dance of bourrée. Okay. We made it more hip-hop-ish. So that. All I'm doing is I'm hooking, hook behind the leg. So I'm gonna start with the right leg, hook, and then open up. Hook, open up. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So we're using that in the middle. Okay. Notice my body turns. So I'm not going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We're not doing this. I'm going 1 and 2. That little bit of angle. Notice my shoulder look. Notice my hip turn. Okay. 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now we add another hook in. So I got 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. What I'm doing when I do that, I'm not just going here like this. I'm rocking my hip, chest back. Okay. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So we have our transition to the right side. Now after 7, 8. I'm gonna lean more to the right side. That gives me the power to slide on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything left side now. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. That's 4 8 counts right there. It's kind of quick, but it's a fun one to get into our fundamentals, our little slides, our turn, our pas de bourrée. Okay? So have fun with it, guys. Actually, before we did, any questions? No, if not, okay, I'm gonna put this up and you guys can practice.